Are you studying for your ACCA or AAT qualification and wondering how to stand out in today's competitive job market? The truth is, employers are not just looking for qualifications anymore. They want candidates with practical skills, hands-on experience, and the ability to use industry-leading accounting software like Sage, QuickBooks, and Xero. In a fast-paced environment, employers prefer individuals who already know how to work within a finance department and can start adding value from day one. Theoretical knowledge alone is not enough. Practical experience is what sets you apart. At KBM Chartered Certified Accountants and Registered Auditors, we specialize in helping you gain real-world accounting skills and work experience under the supervision of qualified accountants. Instead of using textbook examples, we train you with real company files, so you can learn how to perform day-to-day accounting tasks in a professional office environment, adding guaranteed work experience to your CV. With over 38 years of experience, we have supported thousands of accounting students in developing their skills, gaining valuable work experience, and securing jobs in the industry. We can prepare you for a wide range of roles, including bookkeeper, accounts assistant, payroll administrator, financial accountant, management accountant, tax accountant, and auditor. At KBM, we don't just stop at training. We support each trainee with professional CV preparation, interview coaching, and connecting you directly with employers for job placements. In 2024, we helped over 1,600 candidates in getting accounting jobs. Take the first step towards your accounting career success. Contact us today to find out how we can help you gain practical skills, work experience, and secure the accounting job you've been looking for.